What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today we're changing the starter on this 2013 Honda Accord. This application works for 2013 all the way to 2017 Honda Accords. Kind of funny because I have the same car but in coupe. Anyways, so it's a very simple process. We're gonna go ahead, get under the car, turn on our light right here. Great. We're gonna get right here, right there. This is the starter. It's right there. This is the lower, this right here. This is the bolt, this is the lower bolt for the starter. And the upper bolt is, you can't see it. I'm gonna have to put the camera this way. It's right there. Upper bolt is right behind this wire. That's the upper bolt. So what you want to do first is probably take this stupid thing out. Right there. Can free some space. And then the two electrical connections right here are right next to each other. Try disconnecting the stupid signal wire right here. Hopefully I can do it easily. There we go. Take that off. This one's kind of a little bit funky. And then you have the hot wire right there. The hot wire is not connected from here. It's connected from the side. So I'm gonna get to removing the bolts so I can make it easier for me to get to the top wire. So the first bolt, you can access it with something like this. You can just put it right here. Oops. Right there. And then you can fish a ratchet from here. I used my long ratchet. However, for the top one, you will still have to use this one. Let me just put it on the bolt first. There we go. Now it's on the bolt. And you will have to use something like this. Let me get it set up and I'll show you how. So this is how it looks right here. I just broke it off camera using something like, do not use a long ratchet because you need the space that's available right here. I used my very long ratchet for the lower bolt, which is fine right there. However, for the top one, you can't really get any leverage with the longer one. So go ahead and remove this one. It's kind of a little bit tricky to remove once it gets stuck on the bolt. Here we go. And use an electric ratchet, or you can use your hand to keep on taking it off until it's fully off. And we'll go ahead and remove these bolts for the stupid bracket that holds the intake. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Alright, cool. So now I can remove the starter bolt, the top bolt especially, with ease. Right, there we go. And we are good to go. Cool. That's the bolt. Put it right here. And this is the ground wire. Right here. Right there. So this looks like it's a 12. And yes, I can tell by the looks of it. Boom, it is a 12. So you go ahead and take this out. Hopefully I don't hit the phone. Great. See that? Work of art. See how easy that was? Boom, now we take this out. And your starter is out. Okay, we go ahead and put in brand new starter. So the first thing that you took off, the last thing that you took off is the first thing that comes back. And in this case, it is the hot wire. Just put the thing right here. Hot wire goes back on right here. Wait, I can see it though. I can't see it still. There we go. So that wire is on. So hard to have the camera in one place, show you guys at the same time. I better get some views for this. Okay, so due to the difficulty of it is trying to put the hot wire while I'm recording is kind of hard. So what I did, I just put it off camera. It's super simple. You just lean it down toward your face and you get your ratchet. You put it right here. It's super simple. You can do it without instructions. But most importantly, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the starter in place. It's gonna go in right here, just like this. You guys can see. Let me see. There's like no space for anything. Oh, here we go. All right. Okay. Here we go. That was a very lucky shot. Okay. Alright, and go ahead and put in that bolt in place. Make sure you put in a couple threads with your hands. Don't send it with the electric ratchet right away. Even if you're using okay. Pretty tight. Go ahead and do the lower one. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Alright, this is the signal wire. Go ahead and clip it in place. Okay, clicked, not coming out. So this can stay right here. I forgot to take the bracket for this wire that clips onto the starter. It is my fault, I admit it. However, when I turned in the core, I forgot to take that bracket, but nothing happens. This is just a little wobble, and there's nothing making contact with the hot wire right here. The boot's not on there perfectly, but it's kind of hard to get it on, not gonna lie. These Honda boots are ruthless. They never let you put it back correctly unless it's pinched somewhere. Okay, enough talking. Let's get this shitty piece back on. I think I lost a nut for one of those. Let's see. I lost the nut that goes on this side. And there's a bolt that goes on right here. 12 millimeter. Okay. This ratchet's pretty strong, to be honest. Let me see if this nut works. Sure does. I lost one, but I'm gonna replace it because I'm not a janky mechanic. Great. Okay, now that we're done with putting the starter, so just to recap, lower bolt, we have an upper bolt right there. Signal wire is plugged in, hot wire is in there. So we're good to go. So I went ahead and plugged in the battery. Everything is good. This is the key. Let's see if it starts. Okay. Starts right away. Has a little rattle, but let's see if it starts again. Wonderful. So that's it, guys, for replacement of the starter on this 2013 Honda Accord. Now again, this applies for 2013 all the way to 2017 Honda Accord sedan or coupe, doesn't matter, but only for the 2.4 cylinder. The V6 has a whole different application. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. Help me out on my channel so I can provide more informative content. Thank you. Bye.